Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Serrano, and today we're going to be taking a look at the SoundPEATS Mini Pro. And these are going to be the newest earbuds from SoundPEATS, and they're going to be on sale, $20 off. So I'll make sure I leave the cheapest link down below. But the unboxing experience is really straightforward. It's similar to the Air 3s and the True Air 2s, as well as the H1s. Similar packaging with the user manual included in the bundle. And you're also going to be able to get a nice charging case at 21 hours per, session, as well as the ear tips, which do come with small, medium, and large. And you will also have the case, which is going to pack the 21 hours with 5 hours with ANC on, 7 hours without the ANC on. And when you compare the case to the Air 3s, it's going to be really similar in size, really small, really compact, that matte material as well, Type-C for the charging. And the Air 3s are going to have that stem style, but the Mini Pros are going to have that new design, which I really like because they're small and snug and compact in the ear, and they don't move around whatsoever. And the H1s are going to be a really nice option with the nose driver, really complete sound and very versatile. But these ones are going to have a really nice ergonomic fit when you first put them in your ear, because you can see the shape is really ergonomic and really molded to fit directly into your ear without moving around whatsoever. And also the case is going to give you a nice compact fit in your small pocket of your jeans or gym shorts, and it's not going to be, you're barely going to notice it's there. After like 5 seconds you'll probably forget it's there. But they have a nice look in the case with really strong magnets, and they fit snug in the case. They also fit snug in your ear. And when you compare them to the Air 3s and the True Air 2s, as well as the H1s, they're all going to be really solid. But these new ones do pack the most features that I want to get into in a little bit more detail, right? Because these are going to have the aptX-Adaptive audio, just like all the other ones, right? With really strong magnets, like I said before. But these are going to have the ANC mode with transparency mode, as well as the gaming mode, which the other ones do pack as well. But they're also going to give you true wireless mirroring, 21 hours with the casing as well. And the pairing process is really easy, because all you have to do is take the earbuds out, and just keep in mind you do have to open up the case and take them out for them to pair. But you can see the ergonomic shape does fit extremely well in the ear. So the fit, I was really impressed with. I couldn't complain about the fit whatsoever. It was really compact and really small, lightweight. Touch controls as well, so one tap for your volume. Long hold the right side, you will switch songs. Long hold the left side for 3 seconds, you will switch from ANC to ANC off to transparency. Tapping the left or right ear will raise the volume, right? And a long hold on the right ear will get your Google Assistant. So the touch controls were really straightforward. But these do lock in a lot of sound. They do also have the pass-through transparency mode, so you can hear through them when you're having a conversation with somebody else. So you won't have to take them out while you're having a conversation with somebody else. And you could also hear your environment, your surrounding environment around you, which I really do like about these, because you don't have to take them out. You can actually hear them directly through the earbuds, which is pretty cool. And these are going to have that really nice sound quality that I do like, that deep bass with the deep treble, as well as a really nice versatile sound when it comes to the instruments. And 3 taps on the left side will enter a gaming mode, which is really solid, because you're gonna get really good gaming on here. It's gonna basically transmit really quickly with less dropouts and really strong connection. And basically when you're gaming on here, you're going to be really impressed with the gaming mode, because it's going to have low latency, and it's going to give you 60 milliseconds of ultra low latency when you're gaming. And the gaming mode makes sound effects sync with your screen all the time, so you won't have to worry about any lag when you're gaming. So that was something that I really did like about these. But one of the things that I did also like about these is that you could use the case with one hand and pull them out with one hand, and they also just lock in there really well. They don't move around whatsoever. So I was really impressed with the fit, and I was really impressed with the, as always, the sound quality when it came to the bass, because you're going to get a really you know what I'm saying, really good strong sound with the 10mm bio-diaphragm driver, as well as the aptX-Adaptive decoding technology with these true wireless earbuds, which is going to give you every detail with CD quality. And it's going to be lossless sound, original sound quality, so you won't miss out when you're listening to the tunes. Of you could hear the snares, you could hear the drums, you could hear the cymbals, you could hear the bass, you could hear the trebles, as well as the vocals, and it all just blends together flawlessly. So I was just extremely impressed when it came to the overall sound of these. And they do lock in a lot of sound and bass, and you know, I was really impressed with these, and I did like the fact that they did fit in my carrying pouch as well. Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is the microphones on the SoundPEATS Mini Pro. So let me know how it sounds right now while I'm talking. There's slight wind blowing towards me, so you might hear the wind in the background for the microphone. So let me know how the microphones do sound on the SoundPEATS Mini Pro. I definitely want your feedback down below. So just give me leave a comment down below and let me know if you can hear the wind hitting the microphones. Let me know if you can hear that. But overall, I definitely like these earbuds for the price. Really impressive with the transparency mode as well as the noise cancellation mode. So let me know how these do on the microphone test. I was just walking toward the wind, and now I'm walking with it. So let me know how the microphones sound on this quick mic test. But make sure you guys stay to the end of the video. But let me know how the microphone sounded on these. But I definitely enjoyed these because not only do they have really good sound quality, but they also do have really crystal clear calls, and you could wear these in the shower, right? They're gonna have that IP rating, so you can actually wear these in the shower. It's gonna be like IP, you know what I'm saying, rated for, you know what I'm saying, when you're working out, you can sweat in these and you won't have any issues with that part about them, right? But you definitely don't put them underwater, because I don't see anything that says that they're waterproof, right? So just keep that in mind. But the case is going to be really small, compact. I did wear these in the shower without any issue whatsoever. And you're going to have a really long battery with the 7 hours of charge at a single time. But if you throw the ANC mode on, you will get 5 hours on there. So with the charging case, it does charge them 2 extra times as well, which is really convenient. So when you're out and about, you could just throw them in the case and you can get an additional, you know, charge two more times with these. And they do have really good touch controls, like I said before. But you're going to be able to get like that CD quality with, like, it's going to definitely sound like you're listening to your music in a live concert environment with just really good sound signatures and very, very realistic music that you will get out of these. So I was really impressed, and these did drop in February 2021, so they're relatively new earbuds. But overall, the touch control features did make it really easy to use in everyday sessions when listening to these things. I didn't have any issues with that whatsoever. You know, the hybrid active noise cancellation ensures that you will definitely have an immersive experience, and it'll block out your environment so that you could focus and do work or just listen to your music without any interruptions, right? Because it's going to have the 35 dBs, which is going to basically block out that much sound around you, and it's going to definitely let you, you know, hear the music, and the music alone. You will be able to hear some sounds, but it's going to block out fan noises. It's going to block out like basically other noises like engines and things of that sort. But let me know what you guys think about these guys. I definitely did enjoy these, as well as the overall mics and the sound signatures and the touch controls. But I'm going to get right back with you. Show up in the comment section, but let me know what you guys think about the SoundPEATS Minis, and I'll check you guys later. Peace.